Hello friends, from our last video we have started a series on the topic of divorce under Hindu Marriage Act, contemplating a detailed discussion on each and every grounds provided under the Act. But before finally starting the series, thought it is necessary to discuss about the territorial jurisdiction of the court where one needs to file a divorce suit. What are the factors required to be followed or satisfied about to attract the territorial jurisdiction of a particular court so that your suit is not get rejected for want of jurisdiction itself? So please watch this video till its end, and if it helps you, please press the like button and share as much as you can for the benefit of others. Further, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please don't miss it now to subscribe and to press the bell icon. Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Jyotirmayi here, welcoming you in this special video of Information Plus. As you know, the team of Information Plus believes that law is for all and all must know the law. Friends, Section 19 of Hindu Marriage Act provides for the court to which a divorce petition under this act shall be filed. That is either in district judges court or in the family court where the family court is established. Remember, if the family court is not available in a particular district, the jurisdiction shall be vested with the court of the concerned district judges court. Now, let us say the deciding factors to know the jurisdiction of a court to file a divorce suit. So friends, at first, you can file a divorce suit in the particular district judges court of a particular district where the marriage was solemnized. Secondly, in a particular district judges court where the respondent, means against whom the case is to be filed, either husband or wife, where he or she resides. Thirdly, under the district judges court where the parties last resided together have also the jurisdiction to file the divorce suit. But interestingly, if the wife seeks divorce, can file the suit in any district judges court or in the family court where she is residing at the time of filing the divorce suit. And finally, in the event of the respondent against whom the divorce suit is going to be filed resides outside the country and or he or she has been not found for last 7 years and also not known whether he or she is alive or not, in that case the jurisdiction of the particular district judges court of a district where the petitioner resides can be attracted. Friends, hope you have understood what are the basic factors required to be kept in mind in opting the jurisdiction of a particular court for filing of a divorce suit. Anyway friends, keep watch on our next videos to know the law.